Freedom, real freedom. Not just traveling, but waking up in the bush, ocean waves as my alarm. No schedule, no boss, just life. So I'm bringing the world to you, because most people will never experience this, and that's not fair. Every landscape, every animal, every moment of pure freedom. I'm sharing it with you. Let's be real, most people can't do what I do. Money, jobs, responsibilities, health, the barriers are massive. I get it. My mom grew up in East Germany. She couldn't travel even if she wanted to. Borders, restrictions, no freedom. When I was young, we didn't have money for big trips either. But she still took me into the forests, taught me to respect nature, to care for animals, to dream about seeing the world one day. And now I can. But you might not be able to. Growing up in Germany, those forest walks with my mom planted something in me. Not just love for nature, but this hunger to see everything. Every country, every culture, every landscape, every animal. So I left. Years of living abroad. And I learned something. People everywhere are the same. No one hates each other when you meet face to face. We just need to come closer together. Spread love, peace, connection. At the moment, I live in my car. I camp in the bush for days without seeing another soul. Just me, the ocean, the animals, and the trees. And yeah, sometimes it's lonely, but most of the time, pure freedom. The kind of freedom most people can only dream about. That's why this channel exists. Not for me, for you, for everyone stuck at home. Everyone who can't quit their job and travel. Everyone who thinks adventure isn't for them. Your screen becomes a window. My camera becomes your eyes. I've got big plans. Asia next year, then South America. I want to show you as much of this world as possible. But I'll be honest, this only works if YouTube works. My savings will eventually run out. So every view, every subscriber, every comment, you're literally keeping this mission alive. And I want to give back. Every month I'm sending one person a free postcard from wherever I am. Real mail, real connection. This video launches December 18th. Anyone who messages me in the first 24 hours gets a Christmas card from me. From Australia, from the road, from this crazy adventure. Because travel taught me something. We're all the same. Distance is just geography. This channel isn't about me showing off. It's about us experiencing freedom together. Real freedom. The kind that makes you feel alive. Everyone can travel. Right here, right now. Through this screen. Subscribe if you believe everyone deserves to see the world, even if they never leave home. And let's prove together that travel breaks down walls, spreads love, and reminds us we're all human. See you on the next adventure.